Hey guys, Rick Hogg with War HOGG Tactical, and I just want to talk about firearms and kind of home defense. And I'm not really looking to get into the nitty-gritty of how to defend your home, but really just looking at having the firearm on you or secured somewhere in your home. So first and foremost, to me, if I'm in my home, kind of daylight hours and I'm awake, the firearm is on me. So again, do I necessarily have to conceal it when I'm in the confines of my house? That's really your decision. I can leave it open if I want to, or if I'm going in and out of my home, then yes, I'm going to conceal my firearm because I don't want everyone to know that I have a firearm on me. However, if it's now time to go to bed or whatever the case may be, and I've got to secure this firearm, there's some things you've got to take into consideration. Is it just you that lives in the home? Do you have your wife, family members, small kids? There's numerous different things out there that I can do to secure my firearm. There's different lock boxes, there's custom furniture, different things that you can purchase where I can easily access that firearm. However, here's the key thing, guys. If you are going to secure your firearm in one of these devices, ensure that you're putting your proper dry fire training in there. So make sure the gun's cleared, secure it in there. Hey, how quickly can I get it out? Did I set the pistol in there properly so that I can easily access it and get it to where I need to? Is it going to be one of those where I'm going to have potentially my pistol and my magazine separate? Now I've actually got to load this thing. Have I prepped it in that configuration? Am I going to have a light source nearby? Am I carrying a spare mag? All these different things you need to consider when you're stowing your firearm for a defense measure inside your home. Whatever you're going to do, it doesn't matter, lockbox, on the nightstand, in some custom furniture. You just have to make sure that you have a plan that, hey, if I were to be awoken in the middle of the night, alarm goes off, how am I securing, and then what's kind of your actions? Those are things that you've got to consider. Number one thing is just remember this: if you're going to take the firearm off of your body and stick it somewhere, especially if you have kids in the house, you need to ensure that that firearm cannot be accessed by those kids. First and foremost, I will say this: make sure that you educate your children on it. Don't sit there and go down a road where they're not wise as far as the firearms. Train them young, train them early, but really have it secure where they can't get it. But ultimately, at the end of the day, guys, if you're going to be around your home, have your firearm on your person. When it's time to go to bed, secure it in a manner that meets your specific needs for your residence.